Here is conjunction. Conjunction is a joining word. It joins words, phrases, and clauses. There are different kinds of conjunction. Coordinate conjunction. Coordinate conjunction joins words, phrases, and independent clauses. For example, for, ain't, nor, but, or, yet, so. These are our coordinate conjunction, which are called with the help of acronym FAN boys. For example, the sentences have been given in the form of example. I would like to have coffee and tea. Here in this sentence, a coordinate conjunction is joined by the two words coffee and tea. What would do you like? I would like to have coffee and tea. Then she enjoys reading but prefers listening novels. Here she enjoys reading is our independent clause. Okay, but prefers listening novels. This is our gerund phrase, listening novels. Okay, so this phrase and our independent clause has been joined together with the help of coordinate conjunction. But is our coordinate conjunction, prefers is our verb, okay, which is transitive verb, and listening novels is the object of the prefers. She enjoys reading and he prefers writing novel. Here our coordinate conjunction has joined two independent clauses. For example, she enjoys reading is our independent clause and he prefers novel is also our independent clause. These both independent clauses are joined with the help of coordinate conjunction. Independent clause means a clause which stays on its own, which convey a complete sense. She enjoys reading. Now she enjoys reading. This does not need in other words to convey a complete sense. She enjoys reading is a complete sense. Itself it is a complete sense. But this sense and he prefers writing novels and this sense, these both are senses are joined together with the help of and. Then there is our subordinate conjunction. Subordinate conjunction joins a dependent clause to an independent clause. In this, we have a single dependent clause and a single independent clause. It tells us cause and effect, contrast and condition, and time. The examples have been given because, although, since, for, it, when. They stayed inside. This is our independent clause. They stayed inside. Now why they stayed inside? What is the reason behind standing inside? They stayed inside because it was raining. So because it was raining is our subordinate conjunction. Here because is our subordinate conjunction. If we see because it was raining, this is our dependent clause, whereas they stayed inside, this is our independent clause. Now we have the differences that why we use though or although. These both have changes. Though is our informal, although is our formal. Okay, its usage is contrast. It shows contrast. Although it was raining, we went for a walk. So in our formal writings we have to use although. Here is the difference between if and when. If indicates a condition that may happen or may not. For example, if it rains, we will cancel the picnic. We don't know. We are not certain. Either it will rain or not, or either we will cancel our picnic or not. Okay. When indicates a condition that it's certain to happen. It means when it rains, we will cancel the picnic. Means anyhow we have to take actions. Then there is a difference between for and since. For indicates a duration of time, whereas since indicates a point of time, means since indicates an exact point of time. We have lived here for 10 years. For 10 years, which one for 10 which one 10 years, like from 2000 to 200 2000 to 2010, or from 2010 to 2020. Okay, whereas since indicates an exact point of time, like we lived here since 2010. Okay, these since and for are mostly used in present perfect tense, past perfect, future perfect, present perfect continuous, past perfect continuous. Okay. Then there are different usage of since and for. Since is can be used as a conjunction, which means because. Since it was raining, we stayed inside. Means because it was raining, we stayed inside. It is formal. We can use in our English. Whereas for is also used as a preposition. This project is for you. Okay. Here it is correlative conjunction, the third part of the kinds of conjunction. This correlative conjunction are used in pairs. These these works in pairs, like neither nor, either or, uh, like this. Neither the rain nor the wind can stop you working from working hard. Okay. Then there is conjunctive adverbs. Conjunctive adverb joins independent clauses. However, consequently, meanwhile are the examples of conjunctive adverb. They studied hard for the exam. Therefore, they passed with flying colors. This is the conjunctive adverb. Now there could be the difference between subordinate conjunction, because we have the same we can have same words, same examples for subordinate conjunction, because it also shows contrast, whereas uh, conjunctive adverb also shows us contrast. Okay, so what is the difference behind them? The difference is that in subordinate conjunction we have to use a single dependent clause and a single independent clause. Okay, then if we use conjunctive adverb, then we do not have to use dependent and independent clause. In this we have to use both independent clauses. Okay, then those independent clauses are joined together with a semicolon first. After writing first an independent clause, then we have to add semicolon, like dot and comma. This is called semicolon. Then we have to write our conjunction, therefore. Then again we have to add comma, and then we have to start our independent clause.